All right, we are live. Oh, my camera keeps sneaking up. There we go. We are live. Welcome to a Saturday stream. So today, we are going to be going over. Okay, I just wanted to make sure I was next to things. Yeah. So yesterday we did some AI generated builds. Nothing special, but you know, they're useful in their own ways. I mean, the bear is super useful, honestly. Like, that would be super nice to just be able to do, like, at least the start of the organic or whatever. Just the snap of a finger. But yeah. Anyway, today we're going to be going over this bad boy for the most part. We'll probably type a few of the noises into easy edits, but yeah. This is a website. In fact, I will go ahead and post that in chat now so you guys can see that. And of course, I'll put it in the description of the YouTube for sure, just so you have that. Let's put this on this side. Let's put this right there. We'll put this just over here, I guess, because that's not really important to me. All right, I'll make that so that, yep. Perfect. Okay. Yeah, whatever. All right. But, of course, as per usual, let's just take a gander at some other people's stuff and see if we can get inspired. Good old some more easy noise gen. Nice. This is essentially what we're going to be trying to do today. With some, sorry, I gotta turn that music down a smidge there. But yeah, this is what we're going to be doing with some of our own noises and stuff that we're going to try and generate with the new noise generator. And yeah, Neko is a good friend now. We're co-mods on the Easy Edits server, which is cool. Discord. This is a good lion, man. That is very impressive indeed. I don't know what they're trying to say in that. That's fun. More nighty stuff. Awesome stuff. I kind of like this. I like the planets in the background. I like how they're actually real planets and not just like 2D pixel art things. That does make me feel good about the build. I kind of like this building. City building. Yep, that is very generic city building. All right. Honestly, I think that's all we're gonna look at today, because today I want to be a shorter stream. Things going on, so yeah. With that, let's go ahead and just get into it. So, actually, I want to, can I switch these? I guess I could just reload the page and then I could switch them. I'm curious if I set this up how I want it to be. So let me put this, yeah, this over here. This is going to be the preview. And then I want this to be over here and this to just be down here. Now, if I, let's say, remove the bookmark and then rebookmark it with it like as it is right now, will that save? It's in the streaming. Okay, let me go ahead and just, I'm going to close the tab and reopen it because I want to do this right. So FastNoise 2. Nope, it doesn't. Okay. I wonder if there's a way to do that, to save that. If not, that's just kind of a nuisance, I will say, but whatever. Okay. Cool. So now we're going to add some stuff. Okay. All right. We'll start with a sine wave. That's interesting. I don't know that we can recreate this 100% actually. In fact, we're just going to literally try to just do it. Feature scale, output min, output max. I kind of feel like we're not going to be able to make this. Easy noise, save, test. underscore 0. Open simplex. Okay, yeah. So we do have to start with something that actually exists. Okay. So we can't, as far as I'm aware, just do sine wave. Okay, I was just 100% making sure that was a sine thing there. All right, how do I delete it? Delete. There we go. Okay, that delete. Not backspace, but delete. It's whatever. Okay, so let's go ahead. Yeah, content noise. This is what we need to start with. One of these. I kind of want to just like add a bunch of these together just to see what happens, just to see also if we can. So let me do like a cellular loop. Oh wait, no. That one, go ahead, delete that. Content noise. Yeah, cellular value. Okay, let me attach that to that. How interesting. Okay, let me try changing some of these and just see how that's influencing that one. Okay, that's interesting. What is this in the background here? Yeah, I'm not really sure what's going on. I'm assuming that's supposed to be like the 3D noise. 2D tile, 3D slice, 4D slice. Okay, we're gonna keep 2D because that's gonna help us the most. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. I mean, I'm genuinely curious if I can just make. Whoa. What am I changing? Oh, I still have that clicked. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. What is this now in the background? Okay, so this is the three-dimensional version. Okay, so maybe it is worth keeping this stuff a little smaller, because the 2D preview doesn't need to be huge. Like that could be super small. Okay. And this obviously doesn't really need to be anywhere, but whatever. Okay. Yeah, that's cool to see. So this is essentially what it would look like if we made like a 3D noise of this in Minecraft. All right. Let's just see if we can make at least the 2D version for now. Oh, whoops. Okay, so this is going to be a cellular distance with all this stuff, and then another with cellular value that has all this stuff. Okay, this is going to be interesting. So, we want cellular. Do I put cellular distance function? Yeah. Yeah, distance, and then we'll put jitter, right? Or maybe it doesn't have jitter. Okay, so we can't do jitter. Can we do... No, we can't do feature scale. Min... Oh, wait. Okay, I don't know what to do here, because this is definitely different than, but, you know, tab things I'm getting. Is it... So, oh, it's Occludian. Okay, we're good. We got Occludian. It's like, let's just see what the difference are. So, yeah, Manhattan changes it. Okay. I am on Occludian. Let's just see what the other ones look like. Kind of looks like camouflage. Okay. Ooh, that one looks cool. Just does its own thing. Hybrid. Yeah, let's do hybrid. Okay. Okay, and now we can do the jitter modifier and stuff. Okay, so jitter is going to be 1.0 or just 1. Feature... no, that's fractal. Maybe it's just scale. Y scale. I would have to assume that's what feature scale is. In this instance, 100. At least I hope. If it's not, I have no idea. Output min, output max. I don't know how I would get that either. Derber just joined. That's cool. Because now I can add, well, I could add cellular return type. Is that what it is? Distance. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, distance index. Right? It's just distance then? No. Distance to div, distance to exponent, distance to individual, distance to log, distance to multiple, distance to... Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure here how to get the exact same here, essentially, in this. I figured out how to get hybrid. That made sense. Okay. Oh, okay. So return. Okay, return type is index 0. Okay. Let's just change these and just see what they look like. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere else. Oh, that one is cool just on its own. Let me do okay. I liked was it sub 1? Yeah, index 0 sub 1. Let's try the last one. Yeah, that we're just gonna do that one. And then we'll try to add this other one to it. So we're gonna do this, just try to get this noise itself and then try to add this to it. And we'll see if that works. For now, okay, so yeah, we have hybrid, and then let me actually get rid of the, I'm just gonna get rid of everything for now. So cellular return type, that's gonna be where we put index, no. Yeah. Or, no, cellular, yeah, return type should bring up an index. Oh no, whoops. Return type. So distance return. And then we should be able to do in I guess it's gonna be sub 1, 0 sub 1. Maybe it's distance to sub. Because that's the only one that says sub. So I'm going to assume it's that. Yeah, okay. We'll go ahead and do that. Sub. And then... Yeah, because that's the only one that says sub. So I have to assume that's what it is then. I don't know. If it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. But okay. So now let's do the jitter, which is going to be 1. And then we can do hopefully some other stuff. Output min and output max. Domain warp type. Okay, so those are the only two that I can change the thing. So those are in. I don't know. Minimum bound of output. Yeah. NTH closest to cell. I don't know what that means. Distance index 1. Yeah, I don't know how to change the other stuff. So it's still giving me other stuff that I could do though, like the fractal and the frequency and seed. Value mapping. override, none, default. Oh. Now I seem to have lower bound and upper bound. But that's not the same as what I was expecting. Okay, min. There we go. I'm gonna assume that's output min and output max. Min would be the negative 0.4, and the upper bound or max would be the 2.84. I don't know if I'm doing this right at all. I'm just winging it. Fractal type. Okay, that's not important. Domain warp type. Basic grid, turbulence, open simplex, reduced. I don't really see anything. Okay, I'm gonna, bring that bigger. Now you guys can maybe actually see what I'm reading. Turbulence. Yeah, none of this is what I need either. Maybe specifying none will let me do other things? No. I don't know how to do the distance index. I guess I'm just not going to worry about that and hope that that doesn't matter. And let's just end it there. Let's enter that in. Nope, that didn't. That didn't work. What did we mess up? Oh, wrong bracket. This bracket. Okay, test 0. Let's see if this worked. Let's just, yeah, we'll go over, let's go over here. Oops. Teleport. Okay. Boom. Boom. Let's go over here a little bit bigger than that. Okay. So now easy noise gen. Just pick a random color for now. And we're going to do at test 0. Okay. How close does that look to that? Honestly, pretty close. Let's look at a -h of this, of course, so we can do a height map version essentially. Yeah, that's it. That's good. I think we nailed it. I think we got there. Let's go ahead and go around and make a little bit bigger of a selection. Like over here. All right, let's do that. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful. That's actually really cool looking. Let's try some other colors. Let's try like another default one. Let's just sand. I don't know. Ooh, it's lighter. Okay, let's do. Let's just do this and then do easy. Texture, ambient. Or actually, even better, just quickly grab one of these. Let's do. Honestly, this could be interesting. Let's do this. I just want to see what it looks like for now. Takes a little longer texture after, but it does usually look better because you can do some pretty cool stuff with it. I mean, just even without texturing, this is a pretty wild looking terrain that, you know, was generated in seconds. It's so awesome. I mean, this is essentially like Terrigen on serious steroids, if you really think about it. Like, Terrigen was just essentially trying to do more realistic and sort of natural looking terrains, but now you can just make whatever the heck you want. Like, there is no limit. Okay, that really made it kind of look more like crystals with that. Kind of gives me the idea to do it with like a blue or something. Let's not do legacy wool. Whoops. Let's do hashtag. Ooh, fade blue could look good. It's a pretty good ambient parameters at the end there if you want to like make the edges highlighted kind of thing. If there are a lot of edges, if there aren't a lot of, if it's more like rounded in general, kind of like this stuff, it won't look as good. Actually, I guess this isn't a really good example because this has kind of bumps and stuff. Like, imagine just a much smoother version of this, I guess. Like a smooth hills would not work well with this texturing. But yeah, like sharp angles and points and like tree branches and stuff kind of things. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm leaving that. That is cool. That is really cool. I like that in the middle there. It's wild. Wild texture. I'm gonna take a picture of this real quick. I'll take a screenshot. Yeah, let's try to cut off the rest of it. The green parts. Could easily just make a bigger one. All right. So now let's see if we can get the cellular value added to it, essentially. So, whoops, we need to keep that there. Let's go ahead and put that up there. And now let me do, I guess I'll just do stack minus this and then that, because, yeah. Okay. Wait, isn't there a cell, what is cell tome? Cell, what? No, that's not cell here. That's cell tome. I don't know what that does. Whatever. It's part of EDS. I should know, but I don't. I'm really curious what this one's gonna look like. If we can get it to work. All right, let's go back up to the noise that we were creating before. Yeah, this. So now we need to add a cellular value to it somehow. So like, if I just do cellular value, no, it's not gonna work. No, we would need to close it, right? Still, and then do, no. I don't know how I would put 2 in there. I might need to, let me look at some stuff that Neko, I'm not sure if I'm saying his name right, but Nekou. Let me look up some of the noises that they've shared recently. The camera keeps going up and away from me. It's very slowly escaping. Yeah, let me see if I can find that real quick. And then if I can. So that's weighted average stuff. That's the texturing. Where's the... No. Okay, here's one, I think. Yeah, at rigid. So they didn't put... Yeah, they didn't. Interesting. Okay, so this is the one they made, but it's not a double one. Wait, where was the shoot? Let me see. Yeah, this one. Because this one was one that they were sort of having to combine two different things, I think. Or um yeah, I don't know about that one either. Okay, so I'm as far as I can tell, it's not easy to just add another thing to it unless I just kind of maybe I have to maybe if I do this. Okay, maybe I can. So let me make the other thing. So let me copy this real quick. Let's put this in here just so we have it. And oh wait, so yeah, that's not that. Okay. That's all of no, not that. That's all of this one, just this node right here. And let's see if we can add all of the other node, and then we're going to kind of combine them. And hopefully it'll work in the way I'm thinking, but I don't know if it will. Okay. Easy noise save. We're going to call this test underscore 1. And this time we need cellular cellular distance function would be, wait, no, how do I get cellular value? Maybe I can't do this. Hold on. So I'm trying to understand how I get cellular value in here, because I don't even know how I got, like, that's just, yeah, there's cellular how did I put distance? Okay, I put distance hybrid. Can I add another distance return? Is that what the other one would be? No. Oh, maybe, okay, maybe I do just add another one that's this distance function that's Euclidean. But that's not cellular value, that's cellular distance that it would still be adding that to. Distance sub, okay, and then I don't know what value would be. Value mapping? Is that what it is? Can I add that at the end here? No. Wait. No. Value mapping jitter. Oh, okay. So what I actually did is I added some of this without even sort of realizing, because I think the value mapping is actually this. So the value mapping is going to be the min output and max output for this essentially. And then I would need to add another distance function. Right? Yeah, because I do cellular value jitter, which is 1, map or min. I don't know what the hell I'm doing now. This is really hard stuff to type in, I won't lie. Okay. Let's just restart and try another one. I'm gonna let's just do another one on this down below it. So the question is, can I start with like a weird thing, just like fractal? No, I can't just put that and assume that's noise. Okay, so you do have to start with like an actual noise of some sort, like value or whatever. Blends, I don't think this does anything. Okay, let's just add that there, and let's, okay, and then we'll do, Perlin's usually fun for kind of mountain-esque kind of things. Let's make that a little more fun, make it a little bigger, like that. Okay, and then let's add this to here. Okay, and then we can kind of change some things maybe. Okay, and then we can do one of these. Put that there. No, it's not letting me do that. Okay. That did nothing. Okay, never mind. Delete that. Delete that. Okay, gradient. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, I like that original, sort of. Let's do BM. Pretty sure this is pretty close to what you could do before. But I don't know how to do really interesting stuff. Okay, I'm just gonna do these two because I want to keep it simple for now. But I want to see if this looks more like a mountain, essentially. Sort of more realistic mountain. All right. Okay, easy noise save. We'll still call it test underscore one. And all right. These are our parameters here. Is that really as far as I can zoom into this? I guess so. Huh. Okay. So Perlin. Oops. Perlin. There we go. Feature scale min and max. Domain warp gradient. Okay, hold on. Is it just gradient then? No, there's no gradient. I'm already stumped, and this is like the first thing I have to put in. What? There is no gradient. Maybe it's none, and then we can do something else. Value mapping. Fractal type, frequency inverted. There is no feature scale, and there is no output min or max that I can see easily how to do. What does inverted do? Let's do false. Value mapping. Override. No. Oh, okay. So that value mapping override is what allows me to do upper and lower bound. Okay, so let me go ahead, delete everything up to here, because we don't need that. We want the value mapping override. Then we can do other things. So let me do that. Map override. And then hopefully we can do upper bound. I still don't see a like feature scale, but I don't know how that works. So I'll have to ask about that. For now, upper bound is negative 1.42, and then the upper bound. Oh, wait. What? Negative 1.42 comma lower what? Maybe I needed to do a lower bound and then upper bound, I guess. Lower bound is going to be 0.9. Upper bound that. I mean, let's just see if that saves and let's see what that looks like. Ayo. So let's go back up to, yeah, this. Test 1. Okay. Yeah, so now I'm just going to show the exact same texturing, only with this, because that's basically going to get across what I was going for anyway. Yeah. So same exact texture parameters as I gave that one. Let's see what it looks like on this. Also, the ambience is not loud at all now because it's just super quiet. Literal ambience, no music, just Minecraft, animal, and whatever else noises, cave noises, I guess. Okay. I think after this, we're probably going to be ending it up today. But yeah, I mean, you can already see this is insane. There's just so many different things you can do. And yeah. It's insane. And yeah, I mean, we even have like a 3D thing over here for some reason. Yeah. I have a feeling it's just going to be the edges that gets textured, because that's... Yeah, there we go. All right, you can see the difference. There you go. It literally textured like almost none of it. But yeah, that parameter is really good for this kind of terrain. Just the sharp contrast is all. But yeah. Anyway, with that, I think that's where we're gonna end it up today. And yeah, next week, probably gonna do some more Firefly stuff, and then maybe some noise, but we'll see. Definitely want to get back to the Firefly ship and actually get some actual interior going again, because kind of blue-balled the everybody with that just texturing stream. But yeah, anyway, with that, thank you all for watching. I'm sure you know how the buttons work down there by now, so do click them as you please. Pluto out.